10 hacks to stay safe on PayPal. In this video, I'll be revealing why PayPal restricts your account. If you watch this video to the end, I would explain 10 hacks to avoid PayPal restriction. And all the 10 hacks I'm about to share with you in this video is very, very important. So please take notes, take your jotter and your notes now and jot down this 10 hack, and make sure you do not skip any part of this video because every part is going to be useful for you to stay safe. Let's be very clear. PayPal is not your regular payment platform. It is a highly sensitive platform that is highly security conscious system. PayPal is very strict in protecting their user interest and fund. The first thing you should take note when you are using PayPal is don't rush to put big money after registering your account. And the second thing you should take note is withdraw your fund in small batch. Let's assume you receive $1,000 inside your PayPal account. Don't withdraw it immediately. Don't withdraw everything immediately. Withdraw it batch by batch. Don't keep large amounts in your PayPal account. PayPal is not your commercial bank. The three things you should take note is before you receive money in your PayPal wallet, ensure it is verified. For example, if you haven't put money in your PayPal wallet, PayPal will not allow you to link a bank. So the first thing you should do after 2, 3 to 5 days after you created your PayPal account, make sure you send like $2, $1 or $5, and max is $5. So send it to your PayPal account so that you can link a bank to your PayPal account. Don't send big amounts of money after you create your account, and don't send money immediately after you create your account. When I send verification, meaning you have to successfully link a bank account or link a card to your PayPal wallet. This builds credibility and reduce risk. Number 4 thing you should take note is always make sure your PayPal account match your login location. This particular part is so important. For example, Nigerians are not allowed to create a PayPal account, and if you want to create your own PayPal account, you need to use an app that has inbuilt VPN. In my PayPal tutorial, I didn't use Chrome browser to register my PayPal account. In that tutorial, I used Brave browser. Even if you want to use PayPal website, you need to use a very strong VPN. There are tons of VPN you can use. You can use Bear VPN, you can use Windscribe, you can use Proton. If I have more details on VPN, I will come here and explain in another video. To learn more about staying safe on PayPal and other part of my videos, you can easily check below this video. I have my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp channel, and other places you can get connected with me. All my social media handle is below this video. So if you are meeting me for the first time, welcome back to my channel. This is Adekunle Adeola, popularly known as Adeola Remote Riches. On this channel, I talked about how to make money online, how to start and grow your business from scratch to a monetization point. I also have an upcoming class where you can start your online business from scratch with $0, and the class is just for $1. Check below this video where you can join the wait list for just $1. I think $1 is about 1,000 to 1,500. So if you invest 1,500 in your growth, I don't think anything is wrong with that. Let's move on to how you can stay safe on PayPal. Number 5, avoid multiple failed login. Before you log into your PayPal account, ensure you are very, very sure about your email address and your password. So many failed login attempts into your account and trigger PayPal security system. And if your network is slow or glitchy, don't log into PayPal account at that moment. Why am I telling you this? I see so many messages below my PayPal creation videos that immediately they log into PayPal, you are kicked out, your account was banned, your account was this. When your network is glitchy or slow, or you attempt multiple failed login, it will trigger PayPal security and tell them maybe this account is a fraudster account, maybe this person was trying to log into someone else's account. So PayPal security is so crazy because one wrong move, you could be logged out permanently. And one thing PayPal does is once you attempt to log in with wrong details, PayPal will start asking you for verifications because they want to be sure you are the one trying to log into your account. So make sure you have the right information on your first attempt of logging into your PayPal account. I mean, if you have to write your password and email address to somewhere safe on your device or somewhere safe on your jotter, so please do that to avoid multiple failed login. Number 6 steps to stay safe on PayPal. Always have a backup. Having a backup plan is an advantage for you. Diversify your income. Don't rely solely on PayPal. You have other international accounts or wallets you can try and use. One of them is Gray. I have a video on this channel where I explain how you can open accounts with Gray. You can also use it to receive money everywhere. If you want me to make a video on how to create a Pioneer account, let me know below this comment section. So make sure you spread your income across multiple accounts for safety. PayPal is not commercial bank. Please have a backup plan. If all your money is in PayPal, please go and try as much as possible to withdraw some. As you are watching this video right now, make sure you withdraw some of your money out of PayPal. PayPal is not commercial bank. You can count how many times I've said this in this video. PayPal is not your commercial bank. It's just a wallet where you can use to send and receive funds.
It won't be so fair
if you lost all your earnings, all your income when PayPal crashes your account. So please diversify. Number 7, to stay safe on PayPal, you have to stick to one trusted browser or IP. I usually advise people to use Brave browser because it has inbuilt VPN and browser combined together. Don't log in your PayPal account on multiple browser. Don't try to log in on multiple IP. Don't change your location once you started logging in with one particular locations. Don't log in your accounts with different device. For example, you use Xiaomi today, you use iPhone tomorrow, you use Samsung next tomorrow. That will trigger PayPal security system that this account
has been compromised.
Make sure you use one browser for your PayPal login. Make sure you use one IP address for your PayPal login. Make sure you use one device, because if you don't stick to these rules I just mentioned to you, once you start logging in with different device, different browser, different IP, it will trigger PayPal security system that your account has been compromised,
and this can trigger suspension
because PayPal will feel that your account has been exposed
to hackers.
Please, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, click on that subscribe button, like this video so that YouTube can show it to people that really need this video. Like this video. Number 8, way to stay safe on PayPal is say no to cashback and disputes on your PayPal account. Let me tell you a backstory that happens to me about this dispute and cashback. There was a time I had this experience. Someone reached out to me that she needed help receiving funds. She asked me if I can use my account to receive the fund. Then I replied no problem, because I thought it was just an harmless transaction. So I gave her my PayPal account. My primary fund settings on PayPal is US dollars. I never knew this person fund that was coming to my PayPal was pounds. And guess what? PayPal hold an account for this. And before I knew it, this person went ahead to PayPal, raised a dispute against my account. I hold my money and they insist it is either I refund the money that was sent to me through that lady, or I provide a document that was used to send this particular money to me. Is that not a problem? So please ensure by all means you stay safe with this rule number 8. Take note of this. Don't receive money for anyone you don't know too well, because this my experience has made me understand that PayPal can hide your money for any little reasons. That was why I said initially that you shouldn't put a lot of money in your PayPal account. Ensure you do not give your PayPal out to anyone. Ensure you do not expose your PayPal details to a fraudster. Don't give your PayPal accounts to people that do Yahoo Yahoo. Okay, so because this might cost you a lot of damages, make sure you always know the source of the money that is coming into your PayPal account. Don't receive money from unauthorized source or person to avoid trouble on your PayPal account. So let's move on to rule number 9. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend. Number 9, if I tell you not to use VPN, you'll be like, who is this lady? Yes, if possible, don't use VPN. But no, we can't do that. We are in Nigeria, and in Nigeria we are not permitted or allowed to create PayPal accounts. And if you want to use VPN, ensure you use a very, very strong VPN, and ensure you turn off your location on your phone settings. And to make sure you are routed in that country that you have chosen on your VPN, make sure you check this thoroughly. Go to whatismyipaddress.com to check if your location is routed in that country you put your VPN. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Subscription is free. You are not paying me for subscribing on this channel. Like this video too, send to your friends, and let's move on to number 10. The last part on how to stay safe on PayPal. Stay away from fraudulent activities. Never allow your account to be used for scam. This is very, very important, because most of the time this is what exposes your account. Make sure you stay away from money launderings and fake payments, because PayPal will track it and you won't get your money back. I hope this will help you to stay safe on PayPal. If you haven't watched my how to create a PayPal account tutorial, check my channel on how to create a PayPal account and you will see all the videos you need to watch. How to link your bank account, how to create a US account. Everything on this channel will help you stay safe, create your account, link your bank accounts to your PayPal account. Have you lost your money to PayPal before? Has your account been disabled? Drop your experience in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend that there is a way you can stay safe on PayPal. I will see you in my next one. Bye. I love you.